Hey guys, I am back with another MOC. It's sort of like a sci-fi bike. If you take like a motorcycle and just weld it to the top of a jet engine, that's kind of what you got right here. It's got some movable outriders, sort of stiff. They can be positioned side to side. You've got movable landing gear. Got nice little engines on the back, big jet engine on the back of the center, adjustable flaps on either side, and the number 4 all the way throughout. Takes a little bit of adjusting, but you can get it to perfect. Just stand upright by itself. Thanks for watching.